Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust sound volume on your laptop. The first way to do this is open the three icons on the taskbar of your PC, and then either move this slider to the left in order to decrease your sound volume, or to the right to increase it. But you can also use your function keys. For example, if you don't see your taskbar, to use them, first you have to enable the secondary functions of your function keys by tapping the FN button, which is located next to your Windows button, and make sure that a light is glowing in the top right corner of this key. And then you can use F5 to decrease your sound volume and F6 to increase it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.